Okay, so go ahead and the first two things you want to check, are these in order? Okay, so are these in order? Well, you have x to the third, you have x squared, you have x, and you have 1. So if these are in order, then you're good. Is it missing anything? Well, if you have x to the third, x squared, x, and 1, we're not missing anything. So we can start with our problem. We can create a long division. Okay? The next thing that we would do is we want to match the x with x to the third. So you want to think about, what do I multiply x by to get x to the third? So again, you want to think about, what do I multiply x by to get x to the third? So x squared times x equals x to the third. Again, you're not just matching these two. You are also multiplying x squared to the negative 3, so you get negative 3x squared. The next thing that you want to do is you want to go ahead and subtract the whole thing. Remember that if you subtract from a negative, it becomes a positive. The x3's, they both cancel out, but this becomes plus 3x squared. So you have negative x squared plus 3x squared, and that becomes negative x squared plus 5x plus 1. You just bring those down. The next thing we would do is we're going to go ahead and subtract, right? The reason we know it's going to be a negative is we're going to match this x with x squared, but it's a negative, so it's going to be negative x. Well, negative x times x equals negative x squared, and negative x times negative 3 equals positive 3x. And then you want to go ahead and subtract the whole thing again. Well, 5x minus 3x equals 2x plus 1. And then we're going to go ahead and match these two. What times x equals 2x? Well, you times it by 2, and that equals 2x minus 6. But we're going to go ahead and subtract this whole thing again, and we get positive 7. Positive 7. Okay, so since this is the remainder, you're going to go ahead and bring it up here. You get plus 7 divided by x minus 3. The reason I know I'm going to add it is because, again, this on the last number, the 7 is a positive, so it's going to be plus 7 divided by x minus 3. So my answer is x squared minus x plus 2 plus 7 divided by x minus 3. And that would be my answer.